This is Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video we're going to talk about the receiver's outputs. It allows you to have an HDMI or a component video output. We're also going to talk about how you send the signal to the hard drive recorder that is built into the system. So one of the things about the receiver is you just simply have that. It'll give you an HDMI output or a component output. There are a couple of times when we want a component output. So what we have done is we've installed a custom switch right here that will disable the HDMI and allow the component output to take effect. So when this button is turned off, the HDMI is now off. Now what that allows me to do is, if I go now to this monitor here and I can hit menu, I'll see menu on the monitor. If you're setting up your system in the middle of the day and you want to access some of the setup features, 7.1 features, this is a great way to do it, so you don't have to have it going through the HDMI, set up a projector and try to get an image you can see in the middle of the day. Also, because there are some problems with HDMI down conversion and recording, we're going to use the component output to record the video cameras. So on the side of the case here, we have the HDMI inputs for the camera, and we have the video inputs. Well, both of those images, depending on what camera option you use, can go through our receiver and be either up converted or down converted and go through the component outputs. So when you disable the HDMI output, this will allow you to then have that camera signal sent directly to the hard drive recorder, which we have here. It has a 500 gig hard drive in it, and it has both component inputs and outputs, and it also does have an HDMI output, so you can access your features that way as well. So when you're doing your cameras and recording them, that's what this will be taking care of, and then your Blu-rays, outside devices, and other items can be sent to the projectors directly or separately, so you're able to not have the camera recording interfere with some of the other flexible functions. So when you come back to this now, if I turn the HDMI switch back on, this will disable the component, and now you're going to lose the menu here, and the menu is now only going to go out of the HDMI output to the video screens. So that is the reason for the HDMI disable, and that's how you get the signal sent to your hard drive recorder.